we're live, and let's get straight into it because I'm tired. So I literally went to check. I went to check my very first video, and this is a new course that's been introduced. So what I think is happening is, because this is, still in beta, that there are maybe bits and bobs that might be being added. So I didn't miss it in that sense, in that it wasn't there when I started. Well, it's there now. And I think I actually will come back to do this maybe before my next certification project. And in doing that, I will probably also go through, move these all back to 100%, because where I've gone back and referenced them, when you reference it, you put it back in the state where it needs to be done. And I haven't been doing that. And so, yeah, I don't think it will affect my completion. That's just because I don't like seeing these not 100%. Anyway, let's jump back into our spreadsheet. This one's been tough. But we're getting there. Cool. So we're going to use the ternary operator to turn has on property into the condition. If the object has a property, return a result of calling apply with function and args as arguments. Otherwise, return match. Okay. So, okay, so if I then say that, and I'm going to turn that into ternary, so I'm then going to say, who are you? You are you. You're the replace. Yeah? So that's fine. So let's keep it in there. You are you. So actually I can just build from here, I think, and say, alright, so if that's the option, right? That's some condition, yeah? Spreadsheet function has some property of function. If it does, then we're going to return apply with args, right? Else we're going to deal with match. I think this should work. Yeah. So effectively all we're doing is we turn this into a condition. And because this was in and of itself sort of a complete thing, I just had to then, carry on with the syntax of a ternary. So that was quite cool. Okay, so now you can start applying your function parser to your eval formula logic. Declare a function expanded variable and assign it the result of calling apply function with your call expanded string. Cool. All right. I can't remember everything I even read there, but let's go. We are going to declare a function expanded variable. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's rude. Assign it a result of calling apply function with call expanded. Cell expanded. Well, I'll just check my apply function. It just takes the string. Okay. And so it's just a string. Cool. Okay, so like we did with high precedence function, the eval formula will need to ensure it has evaluated and replaced everything. So we will use a ternary to check if function expanded is equal to the original string x. If it is, return function expanded. Otherwise, return the result of calling eval formula again with the function expanded and the cells arguments. Okay. Cool. Hello. Yeah, it's just our return then. I think this is our return. So let's return the result of function expanded being strictly equal to x. If it is, return function expanded else return eval formula function expanded cells. Brief word from our sponsor, and I think we're gonna call it early tonight because we're exhausted, but I've still got to go and then get young ladies school uniform and stuff ready, take a shower, help with baby, and grab some shut eye before we start the hustle again tomorrow. So yeah, I might have to call this one fairly early. Now your update function can actually evaluate formulas. Remember that you wrote the if condition to check that a function was called. Inside your if statement, set the value of the element to be the result of your eval formula. Value of the element. Yo, my head's not working. Value of if I'm thinking of this right, it wants me to within here say element dot value is equal to eval formula. That's where you have a problem. Formula, not formula. If this is right, they can continue. Okay, cool. I know I called it right then. I'm tired, fam. First argument for your eval formula needs to be the content of the cell which you stored in value. However, content starts. Nah. Nah. Alright. That's gonna be me. Signing in for today. I know it's short. I know I've been doing short ones recently. Trust me, I've been barely keeping my head afloat. The short ones are going to have to do whilst I'm in this valley of the process. I'm in the deeper end. The one going down. But God is good at the end of the day. So